Meetings generate information. Most of that information disappears within 24 hours because nobody wrote it down properly, or the notes were so scattered that nobody could find what they needed later. AI note-taking tools solve this. Here are the best ones in 2026 and how to choose the right one for your situation. Otter.ai is one of the most widely used AI meeting transcription tools. It records your meetings, transcribes them in real time, and generates a summary with key action items. It integrates directly with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. The free plan gives you 300 minutes of transcription per month, which is enough for most individuals. The paid plan at around $10 per month is worth it for heavy users or teams. Fireflies.ai takes a slightly different approach. It joins your meetings as a bot, records and transcribes everything, and then lets you search through transcripts using keywords. If you regularly need to find a specific decision or commitment from a past meeting, Fireflies makes that search fast. It also integrates with most CRM tools, which is useful for sales teams. Notion AI and Microsoft Copilot both offer meeting summaries if you are already embedded in those ecosystems. If your team uses Notion for documentation or Microsoft 365 for everything, these are worth exploring before paying for a separate tool. Granola is a newer option gaining traction in 2026 for its minimalist approach. You take rough notes during a meeting, and Granola uses AI to clean them up and fill in the gaps using audio context. It feels more natural than a bot joining your call. How to choose. If you want fully automatic recording with no effort, Otter or Fireflies. If you prefer to still take your own notes and have AI enhance them, try Granola. If you are already in the Microsoft ecosystem, Copilot may be the most seamless. The best AI tool is the one you actually use every week. Start with a free trial of one, test it for 2 weeks, then decide. Subscribe for tomorrow's video. Best AI writing tools for work emails.